Hello everybody, welcome again. Today I am going to teach you some phrases that you can use when you are introducing yourself. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello, my name is Kareem. Hello, my name is Kareem. My last name is Rafiq. My last name is Rafiq. I am 36 years old. I am 36 years old. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I teach at Future Generations Primary School. I teach at Future Generations Primary School. I was born in Morocco. I was born in Morocco, in a city called Rabat. In a city called Rabat. My hobby is swimming. My hobby is swimming. In my free time, I go swimming. In my free time, I go swimming. I am learning English because it is a beautiful language, and I am improving day after day. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.